It is important that your lobes are thoroughly cleaned, whether they are new or used. This is especially important for the inside ring at the back of the lobe that touches the face of the cartridge seal. Both the top of the seals and the back of the lobes must be completely clean for a proper seal to be possible. Convoluted Vogelsang high-flow lobes need to be installed in tandem. You must line up the lobe's keyways with the keys in the shafts and slide both lobes on simultaneously. You'll be able to push them onto the shaft several inches by hand. Once they stop, use a plastic-faced mallet to tap them the rest of the way into place. Do not use excessive force. Once the lobes have been fully seated, take a pressure disc and place the larger O-ring on the outside slot and brush with gear oil. Insert the disc into the lobe cavity on top of the shaft. Then coat the smaller O-ring with gear oil as well, and insert into the slot inside. Repeat this process with the other disc. Take your new strain screws and coat the threads with oil. Insert a screw into each of the shafts and tighten until snug.